done with my eggs. I'm done. I said I'm done.
No, you got to eat it all, or Mary won't take your dolls down. And there's nothing I could do, because she's more powerful than me.
Okay, dear. There's no such thing as Mary.
Yeah, there is such thing as Mary.
Then how do you always say Mary always fun in his face? Why did you say that last time when we had a
I never said that Mary farts in Ava's face ever.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't. You're out of your mind.
No, when we were having a sleepover, you said that.
No, I never said that. You're just infatuated with farts and duty.
No, you always say
You
that.
just love farts and duty, and you just associate everything with farts and duty.
No, you
You say, I love farts and duty. Say it. Say it.
No, you.
Say it.
No, you pee-pee head.
See, and you love pee-pee too.
No, you pee-pee head.
Say it.
No, you
Say it.
pee-pee head. You pee-pee head.
No, say it.
You poopy head.
Say it.
You fart head.
You love farts and you love duty.
No.
Yeah.
Then
It's like the most important thing in your world right now.
yeah.
Because you're a 3-year-old boy, and all you can think about is farts and duty.
No, you think
It's actually very cute.
You think about farts and duty.
No, you do. All you say is farts and duty. And your whole that's part of your life. It's like the most important thing in your life.
Oh,
Look at
stop.
that little booger in your nose.
Ow.
You got a big booger in your nose.
You love boogers.
Yeah, a little booger up there. Ew, it's on camera. You just ate your boogers. Ew. It's good protein. Oh, you're an animal.
Oh, you got eggs.